This should be a fairly familiar sight to most of you, at least if you've been watching this channel for any appreciable amount of time. Indeed, it's exactly the same camcorder that I'm using to record this video right now. It'd probably be a lot better if this thing would not go wildly in and out of focus like that. It's a Panasonic Palmcorder model PV-11D. It's the same as what I'm using to record this. Except for those of you that actually remember what this camcorder I'm using looks like, you'll make note this one is in much better condition, which is why I felt like it was worth paying that price tag for it. It's got the lens cap and everything. There's no junk in the grill. Well, there's a couple. I think there's like a piece of white something in there, but for the most part, it's really clean. There's a couple of paint scratches up there in the viewfinder, but that is it. It's in great shape otherwise. It came to me with a tape, which is another reason why I felt like it was worth picking it up. Although the tape has certainly turned out to be nothing really too fancy. I will have to see... Ooh, that's purple. That's kind of cool. I'll have to see if there's any footage on this. Unfortunately, the camcorder was in SLP mode when I got it, so I don't know if that was just something that somebody adjusted while it was at the store, or if it was actually recording in SLP mode, which is probably why somebody would have got rid of this. This one was manufactured in December of 1991. There's that sticker there. I don't really think that there's much else I could think of to say. I've had it on. It does have a picture. The backup battery in it is completely dead. I actually don't even remember where the backup battery is on this. So if I do decide to keep it, I'll have to figure out where the backup battery goes. Assuming it actually has one, which it probably does. Probably a door somewhere. I think I see a little bit of damage down there, but that'd be the only damage that this thing has. It's nice to see that this still doesn't go into place, which is a cover for the AV stuff. You can see the video input, or video output, and the audio output. This cover does not fit on the one that I have right now either. In exactly the same way, I think. Yes, exactly the same way. So, good job on Panasonic for getting that one wrong. But I think that's it. I think it's time to see if this thing will take a tape and will actually record. Okay, if it's not completely lying to me, we are recording with the new Panasonic Palmcorder PV-11D. And new is actually correct. This one is 2 months newer than the other one, which was made in October of 1991. This one was made in December. The world's slowest zoom, power zoom. It's the extent of it. It's only got a 6x zoom. There you can see the date and time are completely incorrect. Let me just have a look at some things. Here's the original camcorder. I think you'll agree. Yeah, whoops. Well, there goes the focus. But the one that I'm using to record right now has seen a lot less use and is in much better shape. Well, the focus is certainly not very appreciative of all of this. See all the wear on the paint. Look at that. This thing was heavily used. Here's the date plate. October of 1991. So there you go. You can see it's also got a dent. Whoops. Well, focus. This is that camcorder that does not appreciate focusing. So it's nice to know that it's not just this one. It seems to be the trait that's shared across all of these. There's a dent right up there in the windscreen for the microphone. So it's seen better days. But it still works. So there you go. There is another Panasonic Palmcorder, PV-11D, for your viewing pleasure, that I picked up only because it came with a tape, really. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. Hope to see you next time. Till then.